Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you or discussing with you Nano Sparkle Cloth Car Scratch Remover. So you might be wondering, what is the Nano Sparkle Cloth Car Scratch Remover that you may be seeing or hearing online? So Nano Sparkle Cloth is a reusable car scratch remover and polishing cloth designed to reduce the appearance of light scratches, swirl marks, scuffs, water spots, and stains on vehicle surfaces. Now, according to their official website, it uses a combination of microfibers, metal powders, mineral oil, and nanotechnology based particles to clean and polish and even restore shine without you requiring additional cleaning chemicals. Now, it can also be used on paint, glass, mirrors, chrome, plastic, and other smooth surfaces according to them. So, if you're going to visit the website, as you can see right now. So, according to the manufacturer here, Nanosparkle works by using microscopic particles that interact with the surface being treated. Now, the company claims that these particles help lift contaminants, polish away minor imperfections, and blend light scratches into the surrounding finish. Now, the cloth is designed primarily for surface level scratches and blemishes, not deep scratches that penetrate through the paint layer. So, you may want to keep that in mind. Now, how do you exactly use Nanosparkle here? Now, for you to start using Nanosparkle here, you first need to clean the affected area and remove any dirt or debris. Now, from then on, you want to lightly dampen the cloth with water, then gently rub the scratch or stained area using circular motions. Now, for example, or for more stubborn marks, you may want to continue rubbing with moderate pressure until the blemish becomes less noticeable. Now, once finished, wipe away any residue with a clean microfiber cloth, and after use, rinse the Nanosparkle cloth under running water, wringing it out, and allow it to air dry before storing it. Now, the official website here highlights features such as scratch removal, paint restoration, reusable construction, chemical-free cleaning, and multi-surface compatibility. Now, these are claims inside their website. Now, the product is being advertised at around 27.75 as of this moment, though pricing and promotions may change over time, so you may want to keep that in mind. So, if you're interested in buying this product, what you can do is you first need to visit their website, and in the website, you want to go and click on the shop Nanosparkle button here, and this will redirect you to the actual product page. Now, in here, you want to go and click on the Buy Now button, and this will redirect you to the checkout page. Now, from here, you want to go and choose your package. Now, you may want to wait for a while for things to load up, but once everything is loaded up, you can go and choose your package, click on the Buy Now button, and once you've done this, you just need to fill out the necessary information like your email address, your shipping address here, and even your payment method, and just click on Continue to Payment. Now, with anything that you're buying online, doing your own research by checking reviews and information from sources outside the official website is always recommended. Now, just to help you make an informed purchasing decision. And this actually applies for anything that you're buying online. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.